Right, you must have seen all over these old GU10s lamps. They're old hat, 50 watts. So let's have a look. They've been in there a little while, so they're going to be tough to get out. But what we're going to be replacing them with is these FType MK2 from Lucical Lighting. Let's get a bit of light in here as well, obviously because we just turned them off. So we've got a bit of light, also from Lucico. So let's have a look at this light. So these lights, so we've got the white bezel, and they can be 4 watt or 6 watt, which will probably put them on 4 watt in here because it's 3 lights in one small downstairs toilet. And these are also colour changing lights. So you can have 2700 extra warm, 3000K, which is warm, or 4000K, which is cool white, or 6000K, which is daylight, nice and bright, which normally do them outside lights. But that's just on a little switch inside here as well. I'm just checking as well, these lights, they are rated for bathrooms, which they're also dimmable. So basically they're all singing, all dancing. But to get these lights out, I want to keep our hands clean. Let's put some of these gator gloves on. I'm about to get them out of the box. God, they're really tough. Right, so let's get some of these on. Keep our hands nice and clean, don't like getting dirty obviously, sparkies. So I've isolated them at the board already, so now what we've got to do is pull them out the ceiling. Which not only will it save the customer a fortune on electric, oh my god, I have to sort of wire it out as well. But it'll make, not only will it save the customer on electric, it'll make it 10 times safer. Because if you look at these old light fittings, heat gets on there, and if insulation touches that, that's going to cause a fire. So these LED lights, as you can see, are all moulded in. So they're spot on to be able to fit in there. Looks like I might have to drill them holes out a little bit bigger as well. Red tape, so they've been here a little while. I'll tell you what we do need, a bin. Give a little box in there for the bin. Right, yeah, so someone's obviously had a go at this and not really known what they were doing possibly. Probably they've known that they were doing, but look at this. I don't know why you'd extend that, obviously it wouldn't fit in there, but these have been here a little while. So we're just going to change them. There's a joint box up there as well. So when we drill the hole out, we'll probably check that out. And if you look, I think what's happened here, they've just done the same thing into a couple of massive connector blocks and twisted the earth together. Fantastic. But this is why we're changing it. This one looks like it's actually gone into the light fitting, and just the light fitting, which is weird. I suppose they couldn't fit 2 cables in one. So that's why they did it like that. They struggled to get 2 cables in there, which Bit of a mess, but we can sort that out. So all we're going to do is get rid of these. Bin them and replace them. And if you see this, that ain't going to fit in that light. Let's put this cable back up for a sec, we'll sort that out. Yeah, them holes, they're not big enough. I did read on the box it needs 76mm cut out. Right, let's just go get the hole saw. Right, these holes are far too small. So rather than getting the hole saw on and wiggling around, if you've seen any other videos, you'll know this, the hole centering device. It is spot on. We've got a bin down there. Hang about, we need that dade and all. The last thing you want to be doing is hoovering up for half hour. So you put this dade round it and it should catch. It will. Put that light on again, get a bit of light. It will catch all the crap. Beautifully round, better than the holes before. Looks like they've been pad sawed out. So whilst we've got a drilling around, we'll do all three. Beautifully round. And I think you could probably get away with a 73mm hole saw, but because I want to get that junction box out as well, I'm using 76. Right, there's a little joist a bit close to that, but I think we should be okay. There we go. Nice. Make sure that goes in the box. Like I say, that dade, it just saves you having to clear up all the dust after, especially when there's coats behind you. So then now I want to find them cables again. And because we can find, what's up there? This junction box. Oh, can we get it out? Gotta get this out. Oh, so I can guarantee you that earth's not connected. What I'm going to do, I'm going to trash the box. Oh my god, look at this. You see why I want to get in that box? That earth, it's not connected. What's the point? What's the point in twisting them together? If I ain't connected that end, it's not going to carry on the earth to anywhere. So obviously it didn't have an earth. Unlike now, right, I'm going to have to smash this box. Which, good, because I ain't using it anyway. There we go. Push up around it. You should. Oh my god. I don't know, some things you find where, I don't know, someone's done it previously and you wonder why bother? What? The earth's in there. It's fine. You should have just connected it. but this is what some people do. What is that, alive to that? Yeah. Right, so then that's the carry on, and that's the carry on. They are going to be easy enough to do. What I think I'll do quickly is put these lights up, because it will stop some of the insulation and dust coming through. So then let's do this. About. And we're going to actually connect the earth with a bit of sleeving. There we go. So in these lights, we've got 6 terminals, so it's good you can use it to carry on. You can see that. So let's put the live earth and neutral inside this, start in the middle. Beautifully push fit, nice and easy. There we go, look at that. That's quite easy to install, these are. Not bad little push fits. Look at that, give it a tug, spot on, right. And then shut her down. That is it, little click, nice and done that. And what we're going to do, we're going to put my 4 watt and warm white. So it should spring load up there. Leave it out for a sec, just so I can get these other ones connected. But let's chop this one off as well. Get rid of these, look, why? It happens, it happens. Right, so we've got this one again. Because this has got the carry-on feed in. So even though we have no earth, like I say, we're going to connect them up because we're going to sort the earth out in that little mess as well. Oh God, these are tight. Oh. The cable's been up here a little, well, you said the cable's been up here a little while. It hasn't really, because it's brown and blue, so someone's done this pre 2004. But then why did they use red tape? Get that on there, that on there. Look again. Yeah, just leave it on. Caught my glove, haven't I? Got a hole in it. Right. So let's open this box up. Oh, in there well, I tell you. It comes with a screw undone, so you can just get this little lid open and put it in there nice and neat. So again, we've got your live, your earth, nice push fit. That's it, get it in there nice and tight. And your neutral, butte, and do the same again. Neutral, the earth, twisting it around just to get it in there nice. Right, there we go, and you're live. which if you look on there, lovely and neat, and just close up so you cannot see any of the cores of the cable coming out of that light. That's all nice and safe. Earth's connected, neutral's connected, light's connected. But then as well, clamp her on. So there's no way it can come, there's a little screw. That is nice and neat. Again, we're on 4 watt, and we're going to put them on warm white. Just check it there. Make sure the springs are going to be loaded in well. Leave it out for a sec, make sure they get on all right. Now we know what that one is, the carry on, so I'm going to put that in now. So that ties up one cable. Get that in there. No, it ain't gone in. So where's the last one that's a bit tough? There we go. That's in there. No, it ain't. What's the point of connecting the earth if I ain't going in properly? Oh. Right, so this will go. There we go. Sometimes a little bit tough to get in, but persevere. You get them in there. They've got to be done. There we go. So that's your live neutral earth in that one. Now we've got to figure out what we're going to do with this, because it looks like they've got a fan connected, but they've used 2-core cable for 2-core cable. So they've got a permanent live and neutral, and then another permanent live and a switch live. So we'll figure this one out. Right, we've got the new lights in. Now we want to do is give it a test to make sure connected to that earth actually worked. So end the line. So this will be the last one. It's only got a live, neutral and earth. I don't know why I put it up. I should have left it off. But then you get your tester and stick it on. Because you can't get your prongs inside these lights, so I find it just easier just to take it off, because they're push fit. It's nice and easy. And I know I'll have 240 volts because they come on, so let's put it on 240 volts, turn her on, they're on, so we know they work, and we've got 243 volts. Give it a bit of a loop test, see what we're getting. .42, that is good for a lighting circuit. What if anything goes wrong? We need to test the RCD. Right, so now we're going to test the RCD wires, it's all connected as well. It gets flooded, bang, goes off. Perfect. Works spot on. So it just goes to show, changing a light fitting over is never as easy as you assume when you first look at them. And as soon as you've pulled that light out, you're responsible. If you go around some customer's house and you just change the light and there's no earth in it, you don't check that there's no earth, then they're going to be calling you when there's a fault. So you might as well test there's an earth, and if there's not, find out why and connect it to make sure there is. Till next time.